Hello, my name is Martin Langridge and I'm Head of Sales at Motion Control Products. I'm here today with Jonathan Gulliver, pump expert.
Hi Martin, it's a pleasure to be here.
We are here today to give an insight into the world of pump applications and how Motion Control Products can assist OEMs with the required motors and associated control elements. So Jonathan, if I can start by asking you a few questions. How are pumps powered?
Well Martin, the vast majority of pumps are powered by electric motors and control systems.
Okay, so what are the basic type of pumps?
Well, I'd highlight two basic types of pumps. Firstly, positive displacement pumps, where the fluid is passed by being repeatedly enclosed in fixed volumes and mechanically passed through a system, and centrifugal pumps, which convert rotational energy to hydrodynamic energy in a spinning impeller. Centrifugal are the more common, are very reliable and sturdy and all over the world. Positive displacement pumps involve more direct contact of components. They are used for generating more pressure and with higher viscosity fluids and fluids with entrained gases, which can be very important for some applications.
Okay, so can you give us an idea of some of the applications and the type of pumps that are used in them?
There are so many. Let's start with domestic applications, where we've got all of those central heating pumps, which are generally centrifugal pumps, nice and quiet running. Then we've got shower pumps, which may be centrifugal or are sometimes regenerative. And a regen pump is a special case that sits between a positive displacement pump and a centrifugal pump. We've also got pumps for pressurizing entire systems in houses.
Okay, so what about pumps that are used within the transport industry?
A lot of pumps in transport, Martin, in cars, commercial vehicles and trains. So to highlight all of the lubrication pumps, which are generally positive displacement pumps, lubricating different types of engines, cooling pumps, pumping cooling fluid, and simple little pumps such as windscreen washer pumps and also hydraulic pumps in brake systems and so on. But with a newer generation of transport coming out, we can look at fuel cells and batteries. Now centrifugal pumps are used for cooling fuel cells, and also pumps used for maintaining a steady temperature in a battery system in a battery vehicle, car, bus, lorry, whatever. Those are really important. Batteries need to be maintained at a really accurate temperature to be as efficient as possible, especially when charging or discharging.
And that would follow on into boats and caravans?
Certainly would. So to take a special case there, within the caravans and small boats, we see a lot of small diaphragm pumps powered by DC motors to maintain pressure in a system, and also for showers. Bigger boats and ships, of course, there are endless pumps for endless different duties, often very large.
Okay, so another industry, perhaps the medical industry, pumps use in that?
Very definitely. Special case there is all of the peristaltic pumps used in the medical industry. A peristaltic pump is sometimes called a tube pump and operates by rollers passing pockets of fluid along the tube. Big benefit for the medical industry is that the tube can be replaced, which maintains the kind of hygiene required in a hospital.
So as a catch-all, give us an overview about general industry.
Well, general industry uses a huge number of pumps, maybe especially for general chemicals, where we start to see sealless pumps such as magnetically coupled pumps. They're used very often when any form of leak might be a problem. And we can also see all kinds of different pumps for transfer duties, pressurizing duties. The list is endless, Martin, really.
Okay, so what are the current trends within the marketplace today?
The key trend really is more sophisticated control. So more sophisticated control of speed, where traditionally a pump would be either on or it would be off. Now people are looking at more speed control, such as within those battery systems we were talking about, where they want to maintain a steady temperature. It's also important for efficiency, where speed control can save a huge amount of energy. We're seeing a greater emphasis on reliability, where for instance a large system might be dependent on a small pump. which may well be very inaccessible. We're seeing pressure on size as people want to cram more and more into their systems, and of course we're seeing pressure on cost. So Martin, how can motion control help the pump industry with its applications?
Well, Jonathan, over the years we have built up an extensive portfolio of products which enables us to support the pump industry. Such products such as AC induction motors, brushless DC motors, permanent magnet motors, that complemented by the range of controllers that we offer to manage those motors, enables our customers to have a one-shop stop as far as products are required for their pump manufacturing process.
And are there any other ways, Martin, that motion control can help OEMs?
Yep, as I said previously, the tech support that we've gained over the years through knowledge and dealing with OEM customers. We also have an in-house design system which enables us to assist in the design process. We have testing ability in-house, so we have a test room where we can do destructive testing, we can do lifetime testing. We also have the ability to hold stock if that's a requirement for one of our customers. We also have an extensive supply base which enables us to meet the requirements of our customers, however diverse that may be. So, I'd like to thank Jonathan for being with us today.
It's been a pleasure, Martin. Thank you.
And thank you for watching. If you would like any further information from one of our in-house test engineers, please contact us at the below details. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.